Hello. In this video, I will go over my solution to LeetCode 608 tree node using pandas. So we have the information each node in the tree can be one of three types. Leaf if the node is a leaf node, root if the node is the root of the tree, and inner if the node is neither a leaf node nor a root node. Write a solution to report the type of each node in the tree. So we have an example of an input and an output. And what I'm quickly noticing here is that the root has a parent ID of null. And I'm pretty sure that all roots will have parent ID of null. So that's a first condition that we can think of, right? And we also have that node 2 is the parent of multiple um, leaf nodes, right? And we can say a node is a leaf node if it's not a parent of any other node. So then we can think about this. If a node is in the parent ID column, then that means it must either be a root or inner. And there's going to be more inners than roots, probably. So we have ID and PID. And we can also generate a set from PID. So we know that if it's in it, if it's in the set of PID, it's either root or inner. And we also know that all roots do not have a parent ID. So we can just say if, and then use pandas.sna PID, then it's definitely the root. And another if, the ID is in this set, we'll just call it set, then it's inner. And else, it must be a root. Sorry, not a root, a leaf, right? And what I'm thinking is we'll just define a function and use dot apply with axis 1 and make a new column. So we'll have ID, PID, and then type. So we'll add this new column, fill it in with dot apply. And then the output, we only want out ID and type, right? So then we will return, let's just call it dot lock. Dot lock every row, and then just ID and type for the columns. All right, I low-key coded in this diagram, but yeah, all right, let's get started. So what we can call let's just call it set P, which is set P will represent the set of all parent IDs, right? And then we will define a function called set type, where the row is the input. Now, first we want to check if the row parent ID is null. So we'll use pd.isNA. So if it is null, then we're going to return root. And then if, oh, sorry, kind of talking. All right, if the row ID is in the set of parent IDs, then we know it is an inner because it's not a root. If it was a root, then it would have returned root already. and then else return leaf. Right? And then now we can just say add a new column and use tree.apply, the set type function that we just defined. We will return a view of the original data frame, just the ID column, and the new column that we added. Let's see if the test cases work. Nice, accepted, submit. Let's go. All right, thank you for watching.